got one thing of that, didn't I?
Yep. That's a lot. Might want to take a mud knife and smear it.
Yeah, where's that at?
To get people to hate immigrants. This is to let you.
Find your box of stuff?
Yeah, thanks. Alright, let's do a little unboxing of what I got today. You see the Strike Force right here. Military train. I wanted a second train, so I got that military train. And then I got some other stuff, guys. Let's see what I got here. A nice box car here. Little coal car. These used pieces were $2 a piece. Crisco oil. Got a good deal on these. It's a Canadian National boxcar. Let's see. Detroit and Toledo short line boxcar. Got a couple of semi-truck trailers. Got that Santa Fe right there. Now I gotta build me a warehouse. Got the Southern Pacific boxcar. Well, let's see what else. I think that's it for those 2, 4, 6, yeah, 5 box cars and a coal car. 2 semis. I got this one here too. Hang on. Let's see, this is Quaker State Oil. Right there. I got me some buildings. Got me some bubble wrap, plenty. So, start off this train station, $10 discount. Set that there. Then I was going to build a hospital where you seen that with my helicopter on that. I was going to build UMC Hospital, but I found this over there. So it's kind of got my emergency room and everything already. So it's going to be my hospital. And I can land a helicopter on top of that. Right there. Let's see, I got one more building. This is one Debbie picked out. And this is some sort of a, looks like an old firehouse. Looks like old barrels for keeping water in. And then one more, I picked up me a trestle bridge right there. That was probably the most expensive besides the track. So, looks like I gotta build that. It says snap fit, but I'm sure I'm gonna have to glue it together as well. My other snap fit buildings don't snap together too well. Gotta glue everything. Let me take a look here real quick. Looks like it's got a flashing light on it. Let's see if that's wired or not. Directions. Now these trusses look like they snap in pretty good. Standard 9-inch easy track. So that'll be my bridge. Keep that right there. I'll probably build I got 2 buildings to build and this piece of track to build. I'll probably do the building tomorrow. But I may start on the other track tonight. Because you can see I'm missing track. I'm waiting on track to come in. It's supposed to be here. My track is supposed to be here on the 14th, which I'll already have it by the time this comes out. But at least this track here will afford me a chance to finish up at least one track, the large outside track, plus check the inside track, see what I might be able to do with that. So, all right, I'll be right back.